welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Sanchari and I do videos on makeup reviews and hauls. Today I have created this fresh winter makeup look which is very glossy, very glowy and very dewy. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Hi everyone. So I have already moisturized my face and now I am using the Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer, and this I will place it on the areas on my higher points, so basically where the light hits, and I will lightly tap it into my skin. To blur out the pores and keep our makeup long lasting, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This will help me to blur out the enlarged pores around my mouth and nose area. Then we are moving to the foundation. For that I'm using my NYX Born to Glow foundation, and this I got it from Cult Beauty. This is a very nice glowy kind of foundation. It has light to medium buildable coverage. I have done a review on this already, so please check the end screen. Next, for the concealer, I'll be using my Milani concealer, and this matches with my skin tone perfectly. So this will hide all the blemishes, dark circle and uneven skin tone, and I will be blending it out with a sponge. Next, for the highlighting concealer, I'm going to use my Flower Beauty in the shade Medium Deep, and I will be highlighting the under eyes, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin and forehead, and I will be doing a light layer of this foundation, and then I will blend out with a sponge again. To set all the highlighted areas in place, I am going to use a light layer of loose setting powder from Rimmel. As our today's makeup is very fresh and glowy, so we will avoid using powder products as much as possible. Then I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I am taking this ColourPop liquid lipstick and I will apply it on my cheek to give a flush of color to my cheeks. And also I will apply it to the tip of my nose to give that youthful glow. Next, for the bronzer, I'm going to use Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep, and I will be lightly bronzing up my skin, like my hollows of the cheeks and my forehead and the jawline. And also I will be contouring my nose with the same bronzer. Then for the highlighter, I'm going to use Rodeo Drive from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is a mini size, and I will be lightly highlighting my cheekbones and my bridge of the nose, little bit on my forehead and on my chin area. I love the formula of this highlighter as it gives a very natural glow. It does not have chunky glitter particles, and also it will give you that radiant youthful glow. Now we are going to prime our eyelids, and I'm using my Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow primer, and I will blend it out with a concealer brush, and it's a very nice primer under budget. Now I am taking my Maybelline gel eye pencil, and with that I will be lining my upper lash line very closely, and with a pencil brush like this, without taking any extra product, I am smoking out that kajal. The color that you can see on my brush, it is from my previous eyeshadow. Then again I have intensified my kajal, and again I am smudging it out. Then I will be doing the same to my lower lash line also, but this time very lightly. And then with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I will further smoke out that kajal, curling my eyelashes to make it ready for the mascara. For today's mascara, I am going to use Rimmel Day to Night, and from that I am taking that lens side and I will be coating my upper and bottom lashes. Next, with the same Ofra highlighter, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner tear duct area. I have already done a review on this, so please click the I button for the review section. Locking all the makeup in place with my e.l.f. Dewy Plus Glow Setting Mist, and then I will press the product with a sponge to make my makeup long lasting. For my lips, using Faces Canada Matte Plus Primer lipstick in the shade Natural Cocoa, and here is my completed fresh glowy makeup look for winters. Hello.